Okay, the next step is going to be removing the exhaust wheel and shaft. The way I wound up doing this was by reattaching the compressor nut and gently tapping on it with a metal object, or in my case, my 1/2-inch ratchet here. What I did was just tap on it with a downward force, and this whole assembly came out as one piece, and you can see inside here. And now we can get to the heat shield and everything on the exhaust side now. So I'm going to decide what's next, and keep in mind that all these pieces here will be replaced. Bless me. And there's a couple, looks like maybe possibly a snap ring or two, I'm not sure. I'll let you know though. Alright, and that's where we are right now. Thanks.